Hi, I'm Rishi.
And I'm Akshat.
Welcome to Emergency English. This is a show where we teach you English.
Today we are going to teach you guys about expressing possession.
Let's get right into it.
It's time for
Emergency English!
Possession is having or owning something. In English, there are a couple of ways of expressing possession. Possessive pronouns and with an apostrophe s. There are possessive pronouns for each first, second, and third person. When you are talking about something you possess yourself, you can use the word my or you can use the word mine. When you are referring to the person you are talking to, you can use the word yours. When talking about a third person, you can use his, her, or their. For a collective that includes you, you can use the word our. For yourself, you can say something like, this is my banana, or these bananas are mine. For the person you are talking to, you can say, this banana is yours. For a third person, you can say, this banana is his, or you can say, this banana is hers. And for a collective, you can say, this banana is ours. The way you use these pronouns changes depending on whether the subject is singular or plural. For singular, you would add an s after the pronoun. Your becomes yours. Their becomes theirs. And our becomes ours.
Now let's talk about that apostrophe s that he was mentioning earlier. When describing something as being in possession of a subject, you can use an apostrophe s at the end of that singular subject. Let's take a look at an example. This is Pedro's banana. Pedro has possession of the banana. Let's look at another example. This is the banana's peel. Here, the peel is that of the banana. It is possessed by the banana. While an apostrophe s is used when the subject is singular, when a subject is plural, then an apostrophe is added at the end of the subject without an s. Here's an example for that. The monkey's bananas are running out. Here, the subject monkeys is plural, and they have possession over the bananas. The apostrophe is put after the s that is already in the word monkeys. Here's another example. The hive is the bees. In this case, the subject bees is plural, and they have possession over the hive.
That concludes this episode of Basics of Asking and Answering Questions. Our next video will be about flags and countries, so if you need any help with that, drop by.
Thanks for watching Emergency English, and we'll see you next time.